Exactly Hotel. How may I help you?
Good morning. I will arrive in Philippines next week for a vacation trip. Do you still have any vacant rooms?
Yes, we do.
I would like to make a reservation for 3 nights on April 19th, 20th, and 21st, please.
May I ask how many people you are booking the room for and what type of room would you like to get?
I'm booking for myself. I only need a single room.
We still have a single room of those days. The price is 500 pesos for a night.
That sounds great. I'd like to book this room, please.
May I have your name, please?
Yes, of course. Josiah Magno. Thank you. Good afternoon, sir. Welcome to Exact Hotel. How can I help you?
Good afternoon, sir. Do you have any available room for today?
Let me check first for today. The only available is the deluxe room and here is the rate.
Okay, I would like to take this room, please.
Yes, sure. Can I request any identification card? And I ask you to register in our registration form. And don't forget to fill up the signature. And so that's a total of 5,000 pesos. How would you like to pay?
No credit card.
May I borrow your credit card, sir? Here, sir. Thank you, and here is your receipt and e-card. Thank you, Mr. Maljari. We hope you will enjoy your stay with us. And please don't hesitate to call the front desk if you need any further assistance. Just dial 7 for connecting to the reception.
Thank you.
My pleasure. Good afternoon, sir. Welcome to Exact Hotel. How can I help you?
I have one reservation plan for today under the name of Mr. Malyari.
Give me a minute, sir. I will just check.
Yes, sure.
Mr. Malyari, a deluxe room for 3 nights, right?
Yeah.
Could you please sign the payment receipt so we can confirm the payment?
Yes, sir.
Here, sir.
What amenities are part of this fee?
Apart from complimentary breakfast, you have access to a minibar place in the room and housekeeping is free.
Well, that's great. What time is breakfast served at?
Complimentary breakfast is served at 8 a.m. to 10 a.m. Here's your key, sir. Room number B307, and we can take the elevator up to the 3rd floor. Thank you, sir. Hope you have a great stay with us.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Yes, sir. Good day. How can I help you? I'd like to take
Okay, sir. Can I have your key card, please?
let me check first.
Okay, sir. You take a non-smoking suit. Am I right, sir?
Yeah, that's right.
Okay, sir. One moment, alright. Let me just call our housekeeper so they can check your room. You can wait for our lobby. Thank you. Excuse me, sir. Everything is settled, but you were to pay. That's our rate.
I'll pay you toward, sir.
Okay, sir. Can you please sign the receipt and kindly present to this recorder slip before you meet in our hotel? Thank you so much, sir, for checking in with us. I hope you enjoy our service and you stay in the hotel. Thank you, sir. Have a safe flight. Thank you. Here is your pay card, sir. Room number B307, and you can take the elevator up to the third floor. And thank you, sir. Hope you, here is your seat. Ulit nga. Sir.
Wala pa!
Gulo. This is okay. Hindi ako natapos dito. Bahala ka.
Here's the... Good.